Hello, how's everybody doing today? My name is Ryan Odette. I'm the owner of Vine and Ash and Mamo Burger Bar. WindsorEats has asked me to do some videos, some tips and techniques to, just help improve your cooking. One of the first things that I do, especially if I'm working with a young apprentice, is, believe it or not, I teach them how to hold a knife. A lot of people hold the knife back here, and the right way to actually hold the knife is put your forefinger and your thumb on the blade, actually touching the blade. That way you have a lot more control over the knife when you're using it, rocking back and forth, chopping, doing whatever. Very important because now you're closer to the center of the knife. Very similar to choking up on a bat in baseball. If anyone's played baseball before, just gives you a lot more control over the knife, whether you're rocking, chopping, dicing, doing whatever you're doing. So that's a really, really good tip, and there'll be many more coming. Plan on making a bunch of videos through this isolation period just to keep you entertained and keep myself busy. So hope you tune in again, and we'll see you soon. Thank you.